The damping ratio interactive calculator helps engineers analyze the damping characteristics of spring mass damper systems. This calculator has a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 6 options: calculate damping ratio, calculate damping coefficient, calculate natural frequency, calculate damped frequency, calculate mass, and calculate spring constant. For this demonstration, I've selected calculate damping ratio. The input fields are damping coefficient C in Newton seconds per meter, mass m in kilograms, and spring constant K in newtons per meter. Let's work through an example. I'll enter a damping coefficient of 150 newton seconds per meter, mass of 12 kilograms, and spring constant of 2,400 newtons per meter. After clicking calculate, here are our results. The damping ratio zeta equals 0.4419. The natural frequency omega n is 14.142 radians per second. The damped frequency omega d is 12.686 radians per second. The critical damping Cc is 339.411 newton seconds per meter. The system status shows underdamped, which means our damping ratio is less than 1, so the system will oscillate with decreasing amplitude. This calculator streamlines damping analysis for mechanical system design. Find the link in the description below.